Three,
Yeah.
two, one.
Hi everyone.
So this is House of Curves, guys. I just want to introduce ourselves first. Of course, my name is Smiley and one of the business development here. Then also, business partners with Karen. Of course, Karen.
Hi everyone, I'm Karen. I'm the founder and CEO of House of Curves. It's actually House of Curves Arts and Entertainment Corporation. Okay?
Hi everyone, my name is Lee. I'm also a business development representative of the House of Foods.
Hi, I'm Queen. I'm the executive assistant and the admin.
So what is and who is House of Curves, Karen?
Okay. House of Curves actually, okay. As you can see from the word itself, curves. So we do advocate yung mga plus size, LGBT community, LGBTQ++ community. So yun lang talaga siya basically. Now, once I founded the House of Curves, I learned from the models that we have within the group. Talented. Maganda din yung skills, madaming skills. What do I mean by talented? They can sing, they can dance, kahit ganun sila kalalaki. And not just by saying na ganun sila kalalaki. As you can see later, yung mga itsura po ng mga members namin for the House of Curves, 100% I can guarantee, napakagaganda. Sobra. So, other meaning of House of Curves, it can be defined by
Oh, okay, surprise! House of Curves, guys, to be honest, was created because of your passion and advocacy when it comes to body positivity. We've seen a lot of models out there who doesn't have the confidence to do so, and there's a lot of models out there that is actually not underpaid or under-acknowledged as well. Talents being used without being paid, talents being used without acknowledgement, even a simple certification and whatnot. So that was the key point or to be honest, the root cause of why this actually started out. So I talked to Karen and then Karen was already developing this actually. So we have the same mind na, oy, kailangan natin to. An avenue for every plus size guys out there and girls out there na talented enough to do a lot of things. But we're gonna make sure that they are well compensated and acknowledged as well. Because of the passion na gusto namin na pakita sa mundo na kaya din namin. Kaya din ng mga taba, kaya din ng maging fashionista, models, runway. Kaya din namin kumanta, kaya namin mag-post, kaya namin lahat na kaya ng mga ordinary, normal people na tingin nyo sila natin pwede. So that's why House of Curves has been created because we wanted again to show them that we also can do anyone from the diverse community, LGBT, the curvy ones, even the mommies, the daddies, everyone is actually included with House of Curves.
Moreover, we can have a why House of Curves.
So House of Curves was created initially to cater to the plus size people that has also not only those who loves to eat, but those who also have a medical conditions na like me, I get fat because I have PCOS. So basically, hindi ko naman talaga gusto tumaba. It's just that the hormones, my mental conditions are allowing me to store more fats. Even though I try to try every diet that we have in mind right now. Pero it really doesn't work. That's why we open House of Curves to cater to those plus size people that doesn't have the confidence. And we also want to break the stereotyping and the stigma of being a model just only for pretty lang, for sexy lang, for beautiful lang. So we want the House of Curves to open the house, its doors, its windows to different kinds of people like men, women, LGBTQIA+++, as well as the skin types, as well as all the genders that you can think of. Even kids, adult might join as well, as long as we need to develop their confidence also.
And furthermore, this community is not just an organization for models or organization as an agency, we're a corporation. So we have a lot of things that we do with House of Curves. That includes events, retail, so we actually have our own line already. Soon, we'll be releasing our own fashion. It's actually out there already. We just wanted to do a soft launch. Yeah, amazing. That's the retail events. Of course, we have manpower for our talents as well, and advertising and many more. So those are the things that we have to look out for, and of course, the workshops and whatnot in the futures as well. So yeah, this is opening an opportunity for everyone out there as well.
How about for you?
Actually, I hope na plus size women and men will also be like confident like us kasi that's what we are trying to show everyone that it's not just I mean I'm not actually trying to the petite ones but we plus size men and women can also be so confident about ourselves. I mean, we are not promoting obesity, but like we want because of course, as what she said, like some has medical conditions. So of course, not like you have to accept it. Of course, you have to do something about it. But the best thing is like be confident about yourself. Kasi if you are not confident about your own self, then what will happen to you? Na parang dyan ka na lang.
Yes, and to be honest, yes, people are thinking that House of Cards are promoting obesity. It's not. No. What we're promoting here is confidence and body positive.
Yes.
Accepting who you are because you will never be successful out there without the confidence because it starts with you believing in yourself. Because if you don't believe in yourself, how can you do so? How can you do a lot of things? How can you do that thing if you don't have the courage and the confidence that you can? Right? So this is what we're promoting. Now when it comes to obesity, yes, we know that we're actually fat, we know that we're not on our faces, and we've tried a lot of things out there to actually be who you guys want us to be. To the point that we have weird anxieties, we don't eat, we have we actually tend to starve ourselves already.
Yes, exactly.
Because of the norms, the stereotype that you actually wanted us to do so. So this is us loving ourselves and being how Mark is actually following. Because me loving myself will also take care of myself as well because I love myself, right? So this is what we're doing right now, setting up the confidence out here and trying to make everyone believe in themselves that they can have.
And to add that, since I've been through into bullying, saying that I can't really lose weight, heaven knows, God knows, I tried everything, name it, keto, whatever you can think of, I've tried that one. So we also want to show that to all the plus size people out there, we want to boost their confidence, their mindset, because people like us, those medyo mahihina, not really to down, parang ibaba pa natin sila. Kailangan kasi i-boost natin yung moral nila dahil hindi kasi nila alam yung pinagdadaanan eh. Like, pag nakakita sila ng mataba, they get bullied. Pero masakit po yun sa loob. Coming from my experience, masakit po yun. Minsan hindi lang po talaga namin dinadamdam. Makikita nyo lang po yan, all smiles kami. But deep inside, I think this is the right time for us to address this part. Kasi marami na rin po nagkakaroon ng mental health condition when in regards to bullying. So parang this is one way of parang advocacy rin ni House of Herbs to motivate those people na to speak up your mind na hindi lang naman po dahil malakas ka kumain, it's sometimes because of your medical condition.
Yeah, this journey is really scary, especially if people having close-minded this when it comes to exercise right now. So, but again, House of Herbs is here and we'll make sure that we'll be able to do it.
We will be
Question for the founder or owner of House of Curves. Could you please tell us a little bit background of how did you formulate the House of Curves and when did you start to operate?
Okay. Well, House of Curves was formulated or founded parang 1 month pa lang. Yeah. So it's very new, very what's that? Baby steps pa lang kami. But we're very I'm thankful for all the opportunities that we have right now. Then the reason why I founded House of Curves is because I was a model before. Doing modeling for plus size. As mentioned by May, business development here, this is what I felt. Nag-model ako. Eating you, Any certificate, I haven't received any. Any food, I haven't received any. So parang I feel bad. Sabi ko, this is not the proper treatment everyone should have. Then, upon checking on that same area, same location, they're giving away something for the mini model. How about for the plaza is who also do the same effort na ginagawa nila? Sabi ko, oh, I really feel bad na ganun nangyari. Bakit hindi pantay? Now, I talk to the management, I talk to the organizers. May mga answers sila, may mga reasons. Sabi ko, hindi ko matatanggap na ganun lang. So, as time umay, nakilala ko po si Ate Reyes Pipi already.
Doing modeling for specific brands.
Yes. So sabi ko, I really feel bad. I felt bad na ganun nangyayari. We need to do something about it. So, a quick background about me. I'm also an entrepreneur. Doing business is my forte. So sabi ko, gusto ko siya i-business. Gusto ko kumita yung mga models. Gusto ko kumita ako. Now, during the process, as I talked to Smiley, sabi niya, BFF, maybe we can start na. Sabi ko, no, I'm starting na. I created this one, ano na tayo, nag-register na tayo, nag-SBC, nag-ganito ganyan lahat. Now, sabi ko, we don't have people. Hindi pala tama yung salita ko na, we don't have people. Nandiyan pala sila lahat. They're just waiting for someone to stand up. Diba? So, okay, this is House of Curves. Join kayo. Biglang, boom, ang dami. Are you looking for models? Are you looking for ganyan? I'm plus size and plus size. Sabi ko, nakaka-overwhelm. Pero syempre, first na kailangan natin dito is the honesty and integrity of each and every one. Ayoko magpasok sa grupo na hindi ka din tiwala sa sarili mo. Nevertheless, yung honest, yung passion mo in advocacy ng plus size, or LGBT, or whatsoever. So, okay naman. Then, eto nga, too many opportunities now, and that's why I also met some of you guys. So, I'm very thankful na binigyan niyo kami ng oras. Ganun lang siya kasi.
Alright.
Yes, overwhelming po ng mga support, ng mga dumadating, communicating with us on what's with the House of First naka-line up po. So, very thankful po.
After next namin doing this, again, after February.
When they learn about our advocacy on how we establish the House of Curves and yes, parang biglang buhos. Sabi ko nga, when it rains, course, grabe, parang hinantay lang po talaga palang may mag-stand up for
To the point na hindi namin mga kapitan. So, may specific persons, there is specific persons.
Yes.
Kasi we're gonna divide and conquer na lang. Kasi ganun nangyayari.
So basically, you are talking about this is generic.
Yes.
So you're talking about House of Curves as a talent agency as well as an advocate of not only plus size, tapos meron din mga LGBT and models ka na criticize, nor sabi mo kanina medyo na-outcast, medyo nakaya. Pero, are you now open or are you already thinking of not, it's a roller coaster, diba? It's a business, it's a roller coaster, and you'll be handling people. So, are you already on that side of na yung medyo masakit na part is, diba? Hindi naman always glittery, shiny world of fashion and business. And sa 3 weeks or 1 month, have you already experienced that already?
To answer it, yes. Initially, of course, if you're a startup company, lahat ng outlet, financially, emotionally, physically, psychologically, yung mental health namin parang kaya pa ba natin? Itutuloy pa ba natin? But with the help of my family, my team here, of course, Karen, support kami. Ano pang kailangan natin? I-market. Now, that's the reason why we have business development, right? So, nandun ako sa mentality na sometimes masaya, madalas hindi, madalas masakit. Bakit masakit? Kasi there's gonna be a time na sasabihin ng mga models, I'm not available. There's gonna be a time na sasabihin ko din na ako sasabihin ko, I will not be available kasi I'm handling different businesses. But with the help of my team here, the admin people, the managers na meron kami, the managers na meron kami, magpo-prosper ka. We're not just talking about 1 year to 5 years. We're talking about infinity na dire-diretso. Bakit? We're not just promoting class size. We're not just promoting LGBT. Being part of arts and entertainment industry, we promote everything. Right now, our focus is on class size, to boost the confidence of class size people, to boost the morality of those class size people. At the same time, to be well known. Well known na, hello class size community, nag-ano po kami, diba? Nandito po si House of Pearls. We're open for any opportunity na nabibigay sa inyo, nabibigay sa amin. Speaking of business, hindi po siya ganun kadali. We're investing time, we're investing money. The money itself, dun pa lang pa nagko-compute na kami. Kaya natin mababawi if we're shedding out. Doon pumapasok ang effort, doon pumapasok ang tinatawag natin, merong what's the term? Malasakit. The word malasakit itself, ate, I can do this, ate, I can do that. Ate, meron tayong mga ganitong network. So sabi ko, hindi siya madali, pero with the help of everyone, it's gonna be better, it's gonna be lighter. So yun siya. And roller coaster, I'm hoping hindi siya dahil pababa lang. Pataas. Diba? It's steep. Yeah. Tapos stay lang. That we're not really into being in a plain light or whatsoever. We just want to promote the House of Curves para lang ma-open yung doors ng mga utak na iba na we exist. Last
We
year
also have a market.
we have a market. So everyone who's watching right now or what, hello po, mag-knock lang po kami. Hindi po kami expensive. Sabi ganun, hindi po kami expensive. We just want you to try what the plus size people can offer. So,
And business-wise, yes, we do agree. Fashion industry is really not gonna shine always. That's why we have events. We partner with a lot of events din na kami nakahandle. Not just events, we also have talents, like for example, music, advertising, music industry. We have rapper, we have singers, we have hosts. We also do in the future, we're going to do workshop for those things, or workshop for modeling, workshop for this and that. So there's a lot of way for us to actually generate.
Hello everyone, my name is Eric, and in line with your statement, how do you choose which projects or brands to work with?
wala po kami wala po kaming karapatang pamilya. Actually, ang ginagawa po nga namin, any opportunity na mag-lock sa amin, we accept. Because we use it as a challenge, kaya pa talaga natin.
Sample mo na pa kami, case modeling ako. Pero hindi mo kasi kami case of our reason.
Ang sinal niya!
That's one way to tell them how we started the job. How we make sure that everything will work. We find ways. We make sure na kahit wala pa kami, we say yes, meron kami yan. Even, alam na nila, bakit namin, nahanap pa kami. Which na-complete kami. Diba? Eventually. It's not something to hide. It's something to be proud of. Because we were able to successfully find those kids. Find those modeling kids for them to showcase the clothes na mga.
And
Kung may client, bibigyan niyo sila kahit wala pa siya.
Yes. Because we believe that we can.
and you also mentioned that you have a personal experience because you were a model before, but do you think the fashion industry has evolved for plus size models?
Yes. Actually, right now, we have lines na lang. Ayun, ayun.
Designers and
May
brands.
mga designers and brands na kami at the same time. International.
We're looking forward going international.
Yeah, runway.
So we're going to have a runway, international runway,
Countries.
this November and December.
Wow.
Hopefully hindi lang hanggang December.
Yes.
Next year po.
Hanggang next year.
So we're just talking about Morant lang for this time. But also you're venturing to any other, diba, yung mga ano pang racket at events. Not only events, but other things.
Acting as well, because some of our models, well, as me as well, are doing actings also, doing TV shows before. So, UP, also UP Diliman, and doing a short film as
Wow.
well. So, versatile.
Yes.
Is in the blood of the plus size people also, not just for petite. So we have a lot of talents to show these days. So watch out for it. Yes.
I am also part of the review before. I is a part of the from the Grassley and also played the video at the famous shows before. So that's one thing that we can actually do for voiceovers, advertising, and all that. There's a lot of things that we can do for ourselves.
Pero ang pinaka-main
Is
we're open in teaching everyone.
Mm.
Teaching on how to boost your confidence, teaching on how you handle things, not just, pero kung wag lang masyado.
basta
We can help.
we saw that you really love what you're doing, you have the passion for it. We will help you. We open our doors for you. Right?
With such statements like, sourcing potential members of House of Curves, do you provide workshops for them to improve their...
Yes.
Mhm. And would,
Even the photo shoot, we motivate them, we teach them how to
Engage yung mga emotions.
motions, to find your angle, the right angle that you have to show how pretty you are.
so the treatment will be holistic.
Sobrang holistic. Up to the point na pag-make-up nila.
Yes.
Wow.
Exactly.
Alam mo, mag-ayit ka para makita namin sa mga dun sa camera. I can feel you. So, good.
Feel angry, isipin mo, asmo ko.
I think we have the last question kasi parang daw na po.
Yeah.
Last question.
Yeah, last question.
For me, ano na lang po, invite all the plus size community.
Hi everyone, I know that there's a lot of people out there that has been told that they cannot. Well, we are here, we are having our doors open for everyone to show you that we can. And if you have the desire and of course the potential and the willingness and passion to join us, then we're here for you guys.
So again, hi guys, this is Leigh of the House of Curves. We welcome everyone, as in everyone you can think of, name it, all genders, all sizes, all skin types, all ages. Welcome to House of Curves. We will motivate and develop what talent you have.
Okay.
Hi everyone. So this is a big break for us plus size men and women. So I hope that this will motivate you to do more. Get out of the box. Kasi if you are just going to stay where you are, how will you know that, oh, I can do this? How will you know that, oh, I am like this? Kasi if you are just going to limit who you are, then paano ka na? Yung mga taong hindi naniniwala sa'yo, yun na lang din, hindi na talaga sila maniniwala sa'yo. Kasi ikaw nga mismo hindi ka naniniwala sa sarili mo. So, you have to bring out the best in you. And we are here to help.
Wow.
Bongga. And
Alright.
Lastly,
Plus size, LGBTQ++, ano pa? Na-mention na kanina, all sizes, all curves, all gender, all ages, you're welcome here at House of Curves.
And for those who are interested to join House of Curves, where can they contact you?
For those people who are interested to be part of House of Curves, you can just simply send us a message on our Facebook account, that's House of Curves, or you can simply send us a message through email info@houseofcurves.com. Thank you.
Thank you so much and congratulations.
Congratulations, House of
more
Curves.
power.
Yes! More curves to come.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.